Are you getting B-roll?
Not anymore.
Today on Lift Arc Builds, we're turning pizza trays into custom light fixtures.
You guys ever think about how deep dish pizza is a pie made out of pizza pie? So it's a pizza pie, pizza pie?
No, never thought of that. Because I don't need to.
Well, I think about it all the time.
It's a pie made from a pizza pie. So that it's a pizza pie, pizza pie.
Yeah, exactly.
Didn't need that floating around in my head. This is called,
Pizza pan.
it's a pizza pan? Screen, pizza screen, that's what they kept saying.
Pizza screen.
Wyatt here is the mastermind of this particular project. Well, he's building them, so technically it's a joint mastermind project. Benny Marconi's is here in Roanoke, Virginia. They make giant pizzas and they're delicious.
How big is that pizza
I'm
tray?
recording a YouTube video.
I know, I'm helping
Can you keep,
out.
now you're interrupting.
Like
me.
Benny's
What are you
is so good. They make the giant pizzas. And they're so giant that they have to make the special screens 28 inches. It's a big
Yes.
pizza.
doing? Well, that's
28 inches is big, huh?
But-
I wouldn't know.
Viewers at home don't understand how large you are
Oh, that's true.
in relation to this. So this looks like a 16-inch pizza when it comes to you next to you.
Yeah.
Tall,
I have a
ginormous.
huge penis.
No, it doesn't.
We've all seen it. No, you don't.
Benny's, of course, is known for making giant pizzas. How big are they, Wyatt?
28 inches.
Exactly.
Well, the screens are.
These are. I think probably a little bigger than this. This is what the pizzas are cooked on. There's 15 or 20 Benny's, insert Italian name here, around Virginia, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and a few other states. And Zach and Chris, the owners, are rad. They're now friends of mine, and we have come up with a fun little project, which is these lights that they're going to be putting in at least one, and probably more after they see them, of their restaurants. Basically what we do is cut, ironically, a pizza pie looking piece out of here, and then you take the two sides and you overlap them. So this is the first one I made. So you kind of see how you do it. So then all we do is take some stainless hardware, bolt the two layers together, and then I ordered a bunch of neat lamp parts.
So Tate got a bunch of little parts. I don't know the names of all of these, and I'm not even gonna try.
We got some cool, I'll let the customer pick the wire. So this is 18 gauge 3-wire SVT cord with a teal cloth wrapper on it, which I think will look rather smart, as the British say. And so Wyatt's job really is just to create some cones, bolt them together, assemble some of these pigtails at the various lengths that the customer specified, and bolt them together, and Bob's your uncle. How do you feel so far?
A little pudgy.
Full, gotta poop, kinda tired.
I feel good. These things were slow. Essentially, there's the light bulb socket, and there's a piece that goes in the back that's threaded, and I had to throw in this little
IPS
nipple into there. But I'm gonna start by sticking that on first. Strip back some of these to expose the AC wires.
Wires.
Wires. Is that what I said?
A little bit.
Wires. I'm not really known to having, you know, a normal speech.
Diction.
These.
We're all thinking it.
Yep. I didn't want to be the one to say it.
We went 3 wires, so there's a ground. A lot of lamps don't have grounds. Being that these are not typical light fixtures, I wanted to ground them.
There's got to be some electrician out there saying, "You're doing it wrong."
Always is.
You know what that electrician's doing?
Wasting his time watching your videos.
Being a loyal fan.
It's gotta be. I don't want it to cause a short on the inside.
What if you use one of these to bake a cone-shaped pizza? A pizza funnel.
Oh. What keeps all? We gotta figure out how to get the toppings from sliding into the middle. It's spinning
I
constantly.
was gonna say put it in a barrel.
Yeah, centrifuge.
Centrifugalpizza.com.
That is a $1 million idea.
The internet will say no, but I say yes.
Well, the internet can go
Insert your favorite expletive here.
watch more Tay.
And Wyatt. That's Wyatt, I'm Tay.
Yeah.
Just like with guitars, when you build guitars, it's great to use power tools to get everything pretty close and moving. Pretty close to there, and then
Is this
just
48
tighten up.
inches?
Yeah.
Sure is.
But then once you go for the last little bit, be sure to do it by hand.
So yeah, then this IPS rod sticks through the top. And then we've got a flange nut. This guy comes around. Doink. And so that and the socket lock together. Put this grub screw in here. That goes in there. Don't reef on it.
Yeah,
I dig it.
good enough.
And there you go.
Wow.
Uncle Bob.
So,
Stream relief. Great.
how fun is that? The only thing that we have yet to do that we want to try on 3 of them is on the inside. We are going to paint it with super reflective metallic paint to see what that does to the light dispersion. Know what I mean?
So you want to start painting? I'm gonna cut this guy real quick.
And he can bounce between both.
Yeah.
Wow.
I gotta do some earplugs.
Somebody really wants attention over here.
Yeah. Oh, but that's shiny.
And I think as it dries, it gets a little more metallic-y and reflective-y. And we'll paint this one while it's flat, even better. You know, this is a point that I've probably glossed over 1,000,000 times, but there is a technique to spraying an even coat with a rattle can. Just like any paint job, you want to go real meticulous, kind of like you're mowing the yard. Have each pass slightly overlap the previous one, and never stop. You never want to stop in the middle of what you're painting, which is why you see me going off the edge. And I'm actually letting off the trigger. Now, don't use this as a like, how to use spray paint video, but, no. There you go. Ha!
I was waiting for you to kick the nozzle down. Yeah.
Anyway, these are all aluminum, so like.
Really dry? Oh, yeah,
Yeah, that's right. So I found the easiest way. Let's just go around. Pretty much.
Cooking class is fun.
Whee!
What took you so long?
Just listening to you.
You're the one that's done 12 of them.
Well,
I'm already done.
since you did that one, I did too.
Oh.
Yep.
Pretty close. Pretty good. Good enough. I wouldn't be able to see it while sitting down eating a pizza. Probably that.
I'm not really known to having, a normal speech.
Probably because I'm sitting there scarfing down a pizza.
Yeah, you eat like you were been in the desert for 3
It's
days.
because I forget to eat. And I get really hungry and then just go.
Now we're gonna light them up and see the painted ones versus the non-painted ones for science. Hey! So already, this one looks brighter.
Yeah, it does.
For sure.
Easily.
1000%.
But they both look really good.
Yeah. Wow. Plus the light that it puts on the table.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. Coming to a Benny's near you. Be sure to go to a Benny's if you're in the eastern mid-Atlantic region. This has been another episode of Lift Dark Builds. This was Wyatt Allen.
Hi.
Introduce me.
This is Tay Whiteside.
We'll see you next time.
Next time.
How was Bandcamp?
Dude, Bandcamp was awesome.
Yeah.
It's,
Did you actually go to their game?
yeah, have I never told you this?
No.
I was in marching band I played trombone for 7 years. And I was in marching band for all 4 years of high school. And band camp, at least our band camp, was exactly like it was in American Pie.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
Like,
it was just like
there were
nonsense all the time.
parties. Literally, we would, every night, we went to a local college every year, different colleges. And every night we would pick someone's room and just set up loudspeakers and just have like a literal bump and grind dance party all night.
It's not fair.
It was great. But dude, marching band was rad because like I came in because band camp was before freshman year. It was like the summer leading into school year. I came into a freshman at high school, like high-fiving seniors in the hallway because we had made friends at band camp. I mean, I can't say enough good things about it. It was rad.